Before we begin, please grab a dark-colored permanent marker, a few label stickers, one box of jumbo-sized Ziploc bags or 2-gallon-size bags. Also, one box of large-sized Ziploc bags or 1-gallon-size bag. Now, let's address how you as the candidate should look, as you will be scored on that as well. You must be presentable. For the actual examination, please wear a lab jacket or smock with sleeves. Your shoes need to be closed-toed with the instep covered. Now let's pack our Ziploc bags. I suggest that you listen to the entire audio recording and then replay if needed while you are packing your bags. The general supplies include a 30-inch by 30-inch kit or tote bag. This will hold everything you will take to State Board. You must be able to close the kit or tote bag. One or more unmarked mannequin heads and a table clamp or tripod. Pre-markings or pre-sectioning on mannequins is not permitted. 3 brown paper bags labeled on all 4 sides with the names, trash soiled, and to be disinfected. You will also need 3 tall kitchen-sized trash bags to line the brown paper bags. A few more general supplies that should be left out the entire time include EPA-registered disinfectant wipes with manufacturer's label that demonstrate bactericidal, fungicidal, and virucidal properties must be used. Must be actual disinfectant wipes. Hand sanitizer and manufacturer's label must be actual hand sanitizer. First aid kit. Spray bottle with water. Bottled water. Paper towels. Applicator brushes. Tint bowls. 1 dry kid's cape and 1 shampoo kid's cape. The general supply bag should also contain extra tail combs and all-purpose combs. Extra duckbill and butterfly clips. Extra applicator brushes. Protective cream. Gel or colored cholesterol can be used. Extra spatulas. Extra protective gloves. For client 1, you will need 2 labeled bags. Bag 1. Labeled thermal curling. Bag 2. Labeled hair cutting. For the thermal curling supplies you will need a dry drape, neck strip, towel, Marcel thermal curling iron with cord unwound, material for testing temperature of iron, tail comb, hair clips and or clamps. For the hair cutting supplies you will need hair cutting shears, razor, and extra blades in the event you need to replace a blade. If the blade needs replacing, be sure to close the razor when finished. All-purpose combs, sectioning clips, and towel. For client 2, you will need 5 labeled bags. Bag 1. Labeled chemical waving. Bag 2. Labeled predisposition test, patch test, and strand test. Bag 3. Labeled hair lightening, hair coloring, highlighting with foils, and chemical relaxing. Bag 4. Labeled facial. And Bag 5. Labeled sculptured nails. The chemical waving supply bag should contain protective capes, child-size capes may be used, chemical wave rods, end papers, simulated waving lotion, water, tail combs, hair clips and or clamps, protective cotton coil, protective cream, and 2 pairs of gloves. The predisposition test, patch test, and strand test supply bag should contain a tint bowl and applicator brush, which should already be out. Small travel-size shampoo, labeled cleanser, Q-tips, cotton balls, and paper towel. The hair lightening, hair coloring, highlighting with foils, and chemical relaxing supply bag should contain 6 tint bowls with lids, 1 bowl labeled hair lightening, 1 bowl labeled hair color, 1 bowl labeled chemical relaxer. The labeled bowls will hold your simulated product. It is considered to be a back bar item. The 3 other empty bowls will be used to transfer product into. Whenever bowls are not in use, you have to cover them with the lids. Metal or plastic tail combs, cholesterol, applicator brushes, hair clips, 8 foils, for pairs of gloves, and base cream. The facial supply bag should contain a hair drape, cleansing cream in a small pump bottle, exfoliating cream in a small pump bottle, massage cream in a small pump bottle, moisturizer in a small pump bottle, toner in a small mist bottle, 8 to 10 wet cotton rounds, and at least 6 towels. The sculptured nail supply bag should contain 1 hand with tips attached to all fingers cut down with a free edge, which should be already filed. Sculptured nail product in its original container with the label, indicating that it is odorless or low odor. The product must have the manufacturer's seal. The package should contain powder, primer, and odorless or low odor liquid. You will need a sculptured nail brush, liquid and powder containers with lids or covers, filing and buffing implements, sculptured nail forms, 4 to 5 paper towel sheets, dehydrator or alcohol, and nail oil for the sculptured nail. Once your bags are packed, you are ready for the mock state board examination. Good luck to you!